In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create engaging whisper effects using ElevenLabs text-to-speech tool. Whether you're aiming to add a subtle hush to your storytelling or you're experimenting with new ways to convey emotion, these methods will guide you through the process effortlessly. We'll start with the first method, which involves using the whispering tag within the ElevenLabs v3 platform. The initial step is to navigate to the text-to-speech tool in your ElevenLabs dashboard. Once you're there, you'll need to type or paste your script into the provided text box. When you're looking to add a little mystery or intrigue to specific words or phrases, using the whispering tag can be an excellent choice. Simply place the tag around the words you want whispered, and you'll notice it turns purple, indicating that it's active and ready to work its magic. Now, to achieve the best results, it's helpful to select a voice that is not only emotionally diverse, but also well suited for whispering. This ensures your script maintains its intended tone and impact. Keeping your total prompt over 250 characters can also contribute to a more stable audio generation, providing a seamless listening experience. You might also consider integrating other emotional tags like nervously or making use of punctuation like ellipses to add depth and nuance to your performance. Once these elements are in place, click Generate to create your audio. Afterward, take the time to listen to your creation. If it doesn't meet your expectations, the regeneration feature might be useful, but first try adjusting your text and settings. This can often help fine-tune the audio to align more closely with your vision. Moving on to the second method, we explore how to find and utilize a pre-built whisper voice within ElevenLabs. This is particularly useful if you're looking for a ready-made solution that's both quick and effective. Begin by navigating to the voice library in the text-to-speech tool. Here you have the option to search specifically for whisper or simply browse through the available voices until you discover one that matches your needs. Play around with the different voices by clicking the play icon next to them to preview how each one sounds. Once you've identified the ideal whisper voice that aligns with your script, you're ready to proceed. Selecting the voice and generating the audio are the final steps. This method can save you time and ensure you're picking a whisper style that already carries the soft, intimate tone you're looking to convey. Both methods offer unique ways to bring a whisper effect into your projects, catering to those who enjoy customization and those who prefer convenience. With ElevenLabs, you're equipped with the tools to enrich your narratives, podcasts, or any audio project with just the touch of a whisper. Enjoy experimenting and happy creating.